Hello. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert images, like JPGs or PNGs, into a PDF on both a PC and an Android device, for free. I've got a folder here with some vacation photos from a trip to the zoo, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's start with Windows. On a Windows PC, it's super easy to convert an image into a PDF using the default Photos app. First, open the image you want to convert. Once it's open, look in the top left corner and click on the Print option. From there, select Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer. Now, here's where you can customize a few things. You can choose the orientation of the page, portrait or landscape, depending on how you want your PDF to look. You can also adjust the paper size to suit your needs. For this tutorial, I chose a full page layout, but you can pick whatever works best for you. There's even an option to set margins or fit the image to the page dimensions. Once everything looks good, click Print, give your file a name, and save it. That's it. You've successfully converted a JPG image into a PDF with no loss in quality, for free. If you've got multiple images you want to convert into a single PDF, the process is a little different. Start by selecting all the images you want to include. Right-click on them, and from the menu that pops up, click Print. Again, select Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer. You'll see options to customize the paper size and decide how the images will fit on each page. On the right side, there's also an option to choose how many images you want per page, anywhere from 1 to 35. Once you're happy with the setup, click Print and save the file. Now you've got all your images combined into one PDF. If you want the pages in a specific order, make sure to rename the images alphabetically before starting. And that's it. You're done. You've converted your images into a PDF on Windows for free. Now let's move on to Android. First, head over to the Google Play Store and search for an app called Image to PDF, PDF Maker. Once you've found it, install the app and open it. When you launch the app, tap on Image to PDF, and it will ask for permission to access your photos. Tap Allow so you can select the images you want to convert. After selecting your images, tap Import. The app gives you plenty of options to customize your PDF. If you want to add filters or other changes, you can do that here too. You can reorder the images by tapping and holding them to arrange them in your preferred order. When you're ready, tap Convert to PDF. The app lets you adjust the PDF file's margins, choose the compression level, and even select the paper size and orientation. For this example, I picked A4 size, but you can choose whatever works for you. Once everything is set, tap Convert. The app will create your PDF, and you can rename the file at the top of the screen if needed. That's it. You've successfully converted your images into a PDF on Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.